Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best CNC router machines available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the CNC router machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the CNC router machines mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 2200W 5-axis metal engraving machine 6040. This 5-axis CNC metal engraving machine is built for precision in milling, drilling, and engraving on metal surfaces. With a 2200W motor and a sink for cooling, it is perfect for heavy-duty industrial applications. The 6040 model offers 4-axis control, making it ideal for PCB engraving and aluminum processing. Number 4, Bulkman 3D newest version 2.2 Workbee CNC Router Machine Kit. The Workbee version 2.2 CNC Router Machine Kit by Bulkman 3D offers advanced engraving and milling capabilities. Featuring a tingle tension system for increased precision, this 4-axis machine is screw-driven, providing smoother operations for wood and aluminum engraving. Its rigid construction and high accuracy make it suitable for large-scale projects. Perfect for professional workshops and CNC enthusiasts, this machine is highly customizable. Number 3, 5-axis CNC 6040 Wood Router 1500W. This powerful 5-axis CNC machine features a 1500W motor, suitable for engraving and milling wood, aluminum, and PCB materials. Its 4-axis functionality ensures versatility for more complex designs, while the built-in water tank helps with cooling during heavy-duty operations. Perfect for industrial and personal use, this CNC router is designed for aluminum engraving, wood carving, and PCB drilling. Number 2, TwoTrees TTC 450 Rotary 4th-axis CNC wood engraving machine. The TTC 450 by TwoTrees is designed for precision wood engraving and carving. Featuring a rotary 4th axis, it offers enhanced capabilities for creating intricate designs on wood, MDF, PVC, epoxy, and metals. With laser engraving support, this CNC router is versatile for both cutting and carving applications. It is ideal for hobbyists and small businesses needing to create custom designs in a variety of materials. The machine ensures high accuracy and efficiency for detailed projects. Number 1, VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro Router Engraver with Laser Module. This 3-axis CNC engraving machine is ideal for DIY woodworking projects. It features a GRBL control system for precise milling and engraving of wood and other materials. The machine comes equipped with a laser module, allowing users to create detailed designs on wood, plastics, and soft metals. Compact and versatile, it is perfect for hobbyists and small-scale workshops. The VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro is easy to set up and can be used for a variety of applications such as wood milling, cutting, and engraving, making it a great tool for creative DIYers.